Hey, welcome to this very simple and quick video tutorial on how to time and set times on specific assignments or quizzes within OneNote class notebook. So I've set up a class notebook for this particular job, and that is secondary computer science, and I've made a section in there called timed assignments. The timed assignments are for our students. In this case, I've made BPS Year 1 a single student in this class. All the secondary computer science teachers are assigned to this class notebook, and to check this out, this particular screencast here, I have locked the collaboration space to show you that you can do this manually and you can lock and time things out manually within your class. To give you some context as to what this actually looks like, the collaboration space here will close at, let's say, 2:25 on Friday, because this is when we have our last class of the week. And you can take a tally, and the students can go in here and they can tally and they can change what's going on. What will happen is all the edits on this page, just like Google Docs, you will have the students' initials next to what they've edited. And I can show you that a little bit later. However, this section over here that I've taken a screenshot of, which you would manually lock yourself, is actually in class notebooks at OneNote.com. So when you sign into OneNote.com, because we have a 365 account, you can sign in here and you can manage your notebooks in here. So you can turn this on and off just by moving this slider left and right. You can also add sections in here. This allows you to manage things if you want to do that, and it allows you to edit the pages. Unfortunately, once you've made a page, once you've made a section, you can't delete it as of yet. If I pop back into my OneNote on my desktop, here, this is a collaboration space. So this collaboration space here is where all students are on the same page at the same time. So you can do tallies, and so it's a bit like a live quiz, if you like. What is a general snapshot of learning that's happening in your class right now? The other thing that we asked about was actually adding pages, and adding pages that can be locked. And so we can't necessarily lock pages as such. You can lock the assignment pages here. However, the one thing I do prefer is to be able to use Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms allows me to set a start date and an end date. It allows me to have notifications of each response, just like Google Docs and Google Forms can. So I can record the name and I can have one response per person. This link, though, is particularly what we're after, and that is to be able to automatically turn this off regardless as to whether these sections or pages are actually open. We have more control over this because we get responses in an Excel spreadsheet. The last thing in this screencast is that in Class Notebook, you have the ability to go and distribute these pages. And so this page here that we've called Timed Class Page, the quick quiz, gives a single page to every single student, so that when they go to answer this, they can apply sensitive data without there being everybody inside there like you do in a collaboration space. So how does this work? Once you set up your form with the page inside this form, you can group them, you can differentiate them however you like. We go to distribute page, and then once this is signed up in here, we click on this and we distribute this timed class page. I'm going to distribute this now, and in my student, which is BPS Year 1, this page with this form will appear in these sections under timed assignments. So that's gone through. Let's go to timed assignments. This is just syncing. And then this appears right here, ready for my student to go into the form that they can work with inside here, just like this student timing page that is due to close in approximately 5 minutes. The time now is 14:55, 2:55, and these will close at 3 o'clock. I hope that goes some way to helping you understand how to set timings for student quizzes in Class 1 notebook. Thank you.